What is the Thule Pro Bar? Thanks for asking. This is actually one of my favorite low profile options that we have for the Ultra Groove edition of our retracting cover. It is available in our rack and tonneau combos actually, so making the order is really easy. Basically, it's just, again, this nice low profile design, beautiful extruded aluminum construction, excellent silver finish. You have this classic bumper stop on top here. Another great feature, of course, with the Ultra Groove, that T-slot channel design is going to be all along the length of your truck bed. So let's say for here, you might be looking at something like a larger cargo basket. If you wanted to be moving something like bikes or something a little bit smaller, not requiring all that same length, you can easily move these right ahead. Again, that T-slot channel that you've got here is also available on the very top of the Thule bar, right here along the back and actually along the bottom as well. Really excellent spot for tie down. It's going to have that locking system, so you'll be able to quickly and easily remove these feet from the actual surface of your cover with these, and also lock into place when you aren't paying attention. This one, there we go. Extremely lightweight. Again, full aluminum construction, so the entire removal process is very easy. Just a quick line up there, as you can see. Then we come back over here and back in place. The ultimate question, where can you get the Thule Pro Bar for your RHR retracting cover? At RHRSwag, of course. Give us a call, check us out on Facebook, or of course you can order from one of our great sales folks ready for you anytime you're ready. Be sure to call, click, subscribe, whatever you need to do to get a hold of us, folks, and join us at RHRSwag.com.